The federal government has been urged to reconsider restructuring the country based on nation building and not on ethnicity. This came to the fore during the annual public lecture of His Royal Majesty Ubi Nnaemeka Alfred Achebe held in Awka, the Anambra State capital. Nnaemeka reports.
With the theme Restructuring for True Federalism, a challenge to Igbo leadership, the gathering presents a platform for Igbo leadership to rise and define a clear and unified vision for restructuring and advocate for equity, justice, and sustainable development. Guest speaker, Professor Obasi Igwe, urged the Igbo race to adopt a new attitude to survive while proffering solutions to true restructuring.
What we are asking, the Igbo are asking, Yoruba are asking, many people are asking, the restructuring in Nigeria in terms of ethnic nationalities or groupings of ethnic nationalities based on consent and continuity.
Speakers including Enugu State Governor represented, President General Ohanaeze Ndigbo Worldwide among others, underscored the importance of restructuring to reflect true federalism, stressing that Ndigbo have what it takes to impact meaningfully in Nigerian democracy.
The Igbo nation has done fairly well in all other areas of Nigerian endeavor. Academics, business, etc., etc. But we have not been able to find our feet in the politics of Nigeria.
Igbo-ness lies in Igbo character, the Igbo matrix of values, impelling hard work, great determination, perseverance, and adventurism. A dogged spirit that never gives up.
True federalism is not merely a political aspiration. It represents a necessary return to a system that mirrors our inherent values of self-determination and progressive advancement.
United Igbo people will be able to scale through because the Nigerian federalism has not been fair to us.
God will continue to give us wisdom, knowledge, and understanding in doing all these restructures to keep the agenda for a renewed hope alive.
The benefactor, Igwe Alfred Achebe, described the lecture as a call for sober reflection.
And think about the mercy and how we ourselves individually contribute to the way forward for Nigeria and for our people.
The event featured book presentation in Awka, Nnaemeka, NTN News.